What is it about brunch? The Instagrammability? The free mimosas? I don't know, but it's too damn expensive. That's why I'm taking brunch and making it cheap again. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal does not have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes for under $2 a plate. Brunch at a restaurant is a total ripoff. That's why I'm making brunch today for 4 people for less than the price of 1 person having brunch at a restaurant. We're doing savory, we're doing sweet, we're doing hearty. It's time for brunch. Hand me a mimosa. Brunch ain't brunch without eggs. That's why I'm taking eggs today and nestling them inside of warm potatoes. I like to call it the potato egg nest. And it starts with these bad boys right here. Into the oven, 1 hour, 425. Here we go. These 2 potatoes cost just over $1 and they're gonna feed 4 people. Do you know what you get for just over $1 at brunch? Nothing. Okay, cut them in half. Try and find the widest spot if you can so that you have a larger boat. Let's dig these taters out. Oh, this is pretty awesome. We got some boats happening. The idea here is to scrape out the inside of these potatoes, turn it into mashed potatoes, make them extra delicious, top it with an egg yolk, and have the entire thing arrive on a boat or a nest. Let's heat up some cream. Boom, butter and cream. Love these from the package drawer. This mashes. Smooth operator. Make sure you get all those potatoes out. I need every last penny in here. Okay, some cheese. This is light and fluffy and wonderful, and it is what enables us to make a delicate little nest of potato. Potatoes are cheap for a reason, because they're kind of boring, even though they're delicious. So the time that you're putting in here is what makes this go above and beyond. It is time to create the nests for our yolks. So get a little divot in here. Yolk number 1, bloop. It's super duper important that we keep these yolks intact so that we can put this on Instagram and get 1 million likes. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Added bonus, we get to make an egg white scramble later. Talk about savings. I'm gonna wash my hands. These are gonna go in the oven now. We're gonna cook them for about 4 to 6 minutes at 425 degrees so that the yolk is set, but it still oozes out because Instagram. Look at that, hot potato. It's like a Picasso. Add some cheese. Come on in with some chive. This is what gives you that Instagrammable contrast of colors. It's very, very important if you're gonna get a high follower to like ratio. This right here, which is colorful, hyper Instagrammable, and delicious, costs only, wait for it, 66 cents per person. That's one of the cheapest things we've ever made on the show. And it's also quite filling. And I can't wait to see my friends stick their knives in each one of those yolks so that it drips down the side. You know, we're just getting started here. I've got 2 more awesome dishes. Where's my mimosa? I need a little diffusion. Perfect. Oh, that's great. Got it, guys, thanks so much. Every brunch needs something sweet to go with the savory. And the fancy, swanky brunch spots, they've inflated the price of scones, which is weird, because scones are ugly and they're cheap to make, but they're delicious. Cranberry, orange, scones. Here we go. Okay, flour, sugar. This is ground ginger. It's gonna give us a zing. Baking powder, gonna give us a lift. Salt, cool cubed butter. Let's get that butter all mashed up with the Butter Masher 9000. So you want cold butter here, and then you just want to break it apart with your Butter Masher 9000 so that you have little pockets of butter once this bakes off. If you just poured melted butter in here, the texture would not be as good. Milk, egg, orange zest, orange juice, struggle whisk. The wet meets the dry. Cranberries. These add color and a very bizarre sweet and tart at the same time flavor. Fantastic. The ugly duckling of all pastry. Make a circle. Knife, 8. Just go down. Oh, I can't wait to try these. The reserved milk. This just creates a little bit of wetness, and most importantly, it helps glue on the sugar. To the packet drawer. Boom, 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 boom. It's time to put this in the oven. All right, the scones are out of the oven. They're 40 cents each. These smell great. Do you know what that costs in downtown Santa Monica? It's like $25 for one of them, okay? So we've got our savory, we've got our sweet, but I've got one more thing to make this brunch complete. That rhymes. Give me my mimosa. got our savory, we've got our sweet. We need the pièce de résistance. And I think the best way to do that is with sausage and sweet potato hash. It's filling, it's Instagrammable, it's easy. Oil, pan, onions, sweet potato, and a little bit of time. Now, if you've ever cooked with sweet potatoes before, you know it takes a while. And that while is the perfect amount of time to make an avocado crema, which will drizzle all over the top and get you 1 million likes. Avocado, come around the edge. This is one of the biggest reasons that you should cook at home. You're dealing with a 300 to 400% price inflation just to be seen. I don't need to be seen. Avocado masher, 9,000. Packet drawer. Mayonnaise. Some lime zest. A little bit of lime juice. No need to worry about the seeds because there aren't any seeds. A little bit of salt. We need some water. Water is gonna make this thinner so that it becomes truly pourable. Sweet potatoes are looking quite soft. Let's get some bell peppers in there. Chorizo! Flavor, fat, protein. Garlic, I like to put it at the end so it doesn't burn. Salt, pepper, cumin. We are looking for some color change in the sausage, and we are looking for some blistering on the peppers. This needs a little hot sauce. To the packet drawer. Oh yeah. That's gonna be awesome with the avocado crema. They're gonna balance each other. Cilantro, it is ready for consumption. The avocado crema. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yes. My friends won't notice if I have one bite. Very round, and then robust, and then warm, and then bright. This is only 90 cents a serving. In a restaurant, it's super duper expensive. Everyone's gonna love it. It's a winner. And I really think that having made all this food, I deserve the mimosa. Where is it? I gave you one job. And that's it, brunch is ready. Gather up the friends. 4 people are fed with all of this food, and it still costs less than feeding just one at a brunch spot. Finally. Cheers. That was like the best brunch ever, and it was so Instagrammable. Please follow so we can do it again and start our own scene.